Good morning, everybody. It's Robert from East Coast Sawing. A little bit different location today. I'm outside my wood shop because I'm going to be sanding up this piece of white ash on my new to me Ryobi 1632 drum sander. Excuse me. So I just recently purchased this secondhand. So I want to use it to sand up a piece of ash that I'm turning into a charcuterie board, and typically I'd have to cut this down to run it through my thickness planer, as it's only a 13-inch thickness planer. So I'm set up today outside with my shop vac and the sander, so here we go. So as you can see, guys, not exactly the fastest machine in the world, but it really cleaned up the ash. As you can see, this is a crotch figure piece, and the crotch figure, I tend to have a lot of tear out on the thickness planer, so this worked out really good. I'm still gonna have to trim it down to something that would have fit through the thickness planer, but again, I get way less tear out with this machine. This is the first time I'm really getting to use it since I purchased it, but so far I'm exceedingly happy. Like, this is a very good result. So I'm gonna run through and grab a quick piece of maple and run that through and just see how we do. It's gonna be a little bit narrower, but it's gonna be a lot longer. So on the thickness sanders, you want to set your initial height by spinning your drum and lowering the head until it just hits your knees. So get it under this thing. Alright guys, here we go. So as you can see, guys, not exactly the fastest, but it does a really good job. Very happy with the machine, especially for what I paid for it. I won't be doing boards narrower than 13 inches through it very often because I have a thickness sander or thickness planer with a carbide helical head in it. So what I could do is if it has fussy grain, I can send it through the planer first and then take the last 30-second 16th off with the thickness sander. And that'll be easier on the machine as well. As you've seen, I popped the breaker once there. So you can push these machines too hard, and I'm still learning it. I do need a better solution for dust because my little shop vac here is not going to cut it, but it's still better than nothing. So, hope you liked the video, guys. Comment, subscribe, tell me what you didn't like about it. Thanks, bye.